Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I have my brother-in-law Darien here, and he's just helping us out for a few days while we're about to go on a trip. So anyway, we're gonna work on the car and just have a good time until we leave. So in this video, we're gonna be working on more structure for the floor. So we're gonna pull the body off the frame and go ahead and start taking some measurements and tacking some stuff in place.
And try not to screw it up.
Yeah. Okay, so we gotta just take a few measurements before we pull the body off. I kind of started up here a little bit, measuring just the upper floor section that we need to weld in before we put the sheet metal in for the floor. So I'm just gonna take some measurements. We also gotta cut out the drive shaft hoop, or just a spot in this area where the drive shaft needs to go through, because we obviously need an opening there. So we're gonna just go ahead and get started on that, taking the measurements and you know, getting the body ready to come off the frame. One and a half. 5 minus 1.5 is 3.5.
This is the part where I stare, right?
Yeah, just when you see the big light, just stare right at it.
Got it.
Have you seen the light? Da-na-na-na.
Okay.
Have you seen the light? Da-na-na-na.
All right, so now that that's out of the way, we're gonna cut this bottom box section out.
Oh yeah! Measure once, cut twice. Oh marker, where art thou, marker? Yeah, you did. It's right here.
Oh, sweet.
Who's your daddy? Sick.
All right, so we got the body off the frame, and now that the body is off the frame, we got some clamps clamped in here. And basically, these clamps are holding this piece of angle iron in place, so that way we have somewhere to rest the steel that we're gonna use for the structure of basically what's gonna be the transmission tunnel. So what we gotta do now is just cut our pieces of box tubing, which are right here, so that we can fit them in place. So we'll go ahead and start working on that.
What you doing, Kevin?
I'm just marking out for to cut
thing.
these.
The
things
thing.
and stuff that we're doing.
Yeah. Couldn't handle it. Perfect. Beautiful.
I got a little cat. His name's Alfie.
Yafe would know what to do. This hot rod would already be built.
Wood. I'm just gonna cut the other one now. Too far.
Ooh, we gotta rotate it.
Huh?
Gotta rotate it. Yeah, pull it out. There you go.
There. I'll just clamp it to get
Jed clamp it.
like that.
You gotta Jed clamp it. Do you know what that's from? You don't? Oh, what's a show called? Beverly Hillbillies. You never saw the Beverly Hillbillies?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay, the dad, like one of the main characters, his name is Jed
Yeah.
Clampett. So that, I always like a clamp, you know. I was like say Jed Clampett. Thinking.
So we just gotta make the pieces that go from here to here.
Yep.
And make sure those measurements are good.
Bueno.
And then we'll tack everything in place, or clean up everything and then tack it in place.
All right.
Ooh, yeah.
Let's get some measurements and melt some metal.
Darien, what happened?
Our water pump, we thought was the issue. We were going out and we weren't getting proper water flow out of the outboard, which is the cooling system, is the water, sucks the water up and cools the block of the outboard. So we initially thought it was the impeller. Here's the old impeller. Christopher's wrapping up the replacement. That's the impeller, that's basically the water pump. Shoots water straight up into the block, and then it starts to circulate out and it pees out right here. So we thought it was the impeller, but the impeller, it's not bad. This shouldn't have been an issue. It's not crusty. There weren't little rubber bits sticking, dropped into the bottom there. But what the issue was is we apparently sucked up sand and broken shell, and it clogged the line. So check your lines before you replace your impellers. But it's never a bad idea to replace your impellers. Christopher's doing a great job. Always have a professional mechanic with you when you go on a fishing trip.
Where is he?
Right there.
I don't see him. Is the mechanic in the room with us?
No. Oh, wait 1 second. This thing is gonna make sure that's straight.
Where did the watch go? It's the spine. You gotta line the splines up.
Yeah.
Turn the prop.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
There it goes.
Hey, Kevin, lower the motor. Down. More. More. Good.
More. The only quotable part of that movie. Don't tighten it all the way, just a little bit.
Yeah. I'm just trying to pick up some of the slag. I'm glad there's no fire ants where we're working.
Mm-hmm. Reminds me that
Yeah, where are they?
shark head is still on the cutting board.
Where's that pin?
It's in the box over on your side.
I'll get it.
That's what you want right there, mate.
See ya.
All right, I'll see you guys back at the house.